Pretty girls follow Jesus. Oh, pretty girls follow Jesus. Oh, pretty girls follow Jesus. Oh, pretty girls.
And welcome back to another video. First and foremost, of course, we're going to give shout out to the big G, not the little G, and just giving him the glory for today and always. And again, shout out to everyone who has been joining the family here. I know we have a lot of ICC mafia here, so ICC stand up. Shout out to Chase by his side because he's getting hated on right now, y'all, and I don't like that. Like, why are they hating on him? Anywho, y'all. Keep him in our prayers because y'all, everybody attacking him, so we just gotta lift him up in prayers. Okay, cool. I did take an L today on my crude oil. I lost about $5 and some change. I did post it on the feed here or on the community board, so make sure y'all keep active in the community. I post a lot there, and I think y'all are able to like just comment there as well, like make your own post. I'm not really for sure how that works, but anytime that I have a post, y'all definitely communicate with me. I like talking with y'all. So yeah. But as y'all can see, if you haven't seen like the video, I think I had a setup Sunday regarding US crude oil, and yeah, I lost, it was $5.81. And so here are some quick notes. This was the setup here, y'all, and this was in the hour, but I'm gonna take over some quick notes, jibber jabber, but this is in the daily, and this is one thing that I noticed. So it says, what I noticed especially in the daily is that the price was not breaking below that 59.89 level. So it wasn't breaking, or it wasn't closing, should I say, below that level. So even though like in the lower time frames I seen like there was a closure, it was like, yeah, it came down that way, but at the end of the day it closed above here, or if it did close below, it wasn't like a strong push. Like, I can't count wicks are not a good thing as far as a good confirmation that price is going to go down. And I see that now here on the daily, and I really wish I would have seen this, because if we really look at it, this was Wednesday. When did I enter this trade? Did I put the date? On the 7th, okay? So I entered this on the 7th. So here. Okay, so I already had 2 days showing me that price is not wanting to go below here. And then the day that I entered as well, I seen that price was not wanting to go. So granted, I did have an opportunity, and we'll get there later, but excuse me. I said about 2 to 3 days that I need to be patient, but technically I got in here. I forgot, like, so I had 2 days before to kind of show me price isn't really closing below. Maybe I need to wait, you know? And then even again, like when I entered, price went below here, but price didn't close. Buyers were able to push price back above this level. So, that was kind of a warning for me, and just something I need to keep an eye on. I said that I just need to have everything in sync from like the daily time frame all the way to the 4-hour. Let's see. Did I have anything for the 4-hour? I think I just said like kind of the same thing. This is the 4-hour here. Yeah. I don't think I really said it, but here is what I mean. Like, this is kind of what I was going off of right here. This breaking below. But again, this is Thursday. This is still Thursday. By the end of Thursday, price closed right back above here. So it wasn't like it closed here, and then it came here, wasn't able to hold, price was pushed right back above. Now, I went off of that indication. I felt this was a correction, and then I entered. I'm not mad about my entry, and I'm not mad about even like losing out on this trade, y'all, because maybe I could, again, something I can prevent, but something that's just like a woulda, coulda, shoulda. I'm just gonna stay in my trade, win or lose, because, and I think I said it in the 1 hour, but I said I had, we'll go to the 1 hour, but I said, I can see that the price had 2 attempts to continue the downtrend, and each attempt was a higher low, was made from a lower high. So let's just go to the 1 hour. And so, y'all, like, this is me. So, again, I'm going based off of this being the indication, right? Came down here, and this is still good. Like, this is not a bad trade to me. I'm not mad. But this was the break. It corrected, quote unquote, and then it continued. Now, this is still a lower high. This is 60.65. This is 60.58. If that was your take profit, you would have been mad. So this is a lower high. This lower high created a higher low. And so this is all the same day for me, and market closed. So market closed Friday, and then Sunday, price went all the way back up, made another lower high by 2 cents. Again, if your TP didn't hit for 2 cents, you'll be mad. So again, this is a lower high, which also created a higher low. At this point, when I should have noticed, and this is another reason why knowing your candlesticks is really well, and something that I need to just start taking into account, because price is literally telling me it is about to go up. Like, it's literally telling me that it's about to go up, because it made, I'm gonna take these off real quick, but we have the higher low, and then look at the end of this downtrend. This is a doji. A doji usually at the top of a uptrend usually mean price is about to go down. And usually, hypothetically, not all the time, but it's usually, if a doji is at the bottom of a downtrend, then typically price is going to go up, as you can see. Typically, not all the time, but I know that with, as far as like either a doji, or this is really like I think it's a morning star, or is this an evening star? A morning star, because it's going up. So it's a weak down candle, a doji candle, and then a engulfing bullish candle. This is a clear pattern that price is about to go up. Typically, not all the time, but from studying a lot of candles and stuff, that is what typically happens. Another pattern that I ignored was this clear double bottom. A clear double bottom. And sorry, y'all gonna hear my kids. My son just got a haircut, so he's about to probably come down here and show me. But another clear indication that price is going to be turning, and why I should have just, took my profit here and been cool with it, is because it was a double bottom. Like, price came here, attempted, no. We were able to hold price back below this lower high. Price came back down, couldn't beat below here. This is where I should have tapped out at. End of story. I had time to close and just take whatever profits I could have gotten and been cool, But what else did I put? I need to make sure from the daily down to my 30-minute that everything is in sync. And then again, until next time, let's trade another day. God bless me. So yeah, y'all, those are my notes for this trade. typically I'm not mad, and I'm not. I could say, and I'm sorry. Then after this, I'm good, but and I'm gonna delete this because y'all seen that. But even if I was just like, okay, take profit here, right? Price could have definitely still, you know, came here and then went right back down, you know? So, you know, I'm fine with my stop loss being my stop loss and just saying that's my stop loss. I don't want to get in the habit of stopping my trade midway through just to take some funds. It's just like now if it was like down here and I start seeing it, okay, yeah, it's close enough to my TP, I'ma take it. But in this instance where it can kind of still go either way, it could have very much did like what I did here with making it go down, but like it did here, it could have just went up. I can't predict that, but um like I said, it's just something that comes along with trading, but I don't want to get myself in the habit of taking myself out of a trade midway. I really want to stop that. It's either when I enter the trade, I'm satisfied with that loss. I'm satisfied with that loss. I'm really trying to be that way. So be pray for me, y'all. But I hope this video, shed some light when it comes to, losing a trade, because listen, y'all, I get down on myself a lot, especially with, learning a new strategy. And ICC is very simple, but it comes with a lot of discipline, and it comes with a lot of patience, and definitely having to have your psychology in order. And I know we always hear that, but it's so true. So that's why I have been using my own money, because I'm getting used to, okay, it's a loss. Cool. And it's just not affecting me as much. So when I in the future start to lose, $200, it'll just be like oh, okay, well, I made, such and such, the next day. That's kind of what I'm thinking. And I don't want to ramble. So this video is already long enough. Again, I appreciate everyone who likes this video, comments on this video, subscribes to this channel, shares it. ICC Mafia family, stand up. Shout out to Shades. Shout out to Trades by Sai. We ain't gonna hate on him over here. But yeah, y'all have a good Tuesday, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.